Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to install Trongate VSCode Extension to speed up your web development with Trongate Framework. Before we get started, you do need a running version of Trongate Framework, and you can grab it from GitHub or Trongate.io. I will link both in the description. And also I'm using XAMPP. I will also link a video to show you how to set up your XAMPP server and Trongate Framework. Once everything is ready, you will be able to see this blue page. It means you have successfully installed Trongate Framework. Then you can open up your VS Code. On the left-hand side, you click Extensions, and here you search Trongate. Then you just click Install. And you have successfully installed it.